Bonjour! This is your video check-in for the week, and I can't believe we're already at week 4 of the school year. Okay, so first, before I go into the assignment, I just want to make sure everyone knows that when you go into your Google Classroom, you're going to have, when you see all of your classes here, a to-do little tab. You could also find it here. I have a to review because I'm a teacher, but you will have to do on top. So I like to just click this one, and you can see any assigned work you have, any missing work, and any done work. Okay, so I just wanted you to know that when I return an assignment, you can find it in done. So do you see how this says turned in? That means I haven't corrected it yet. If you see turned in, if I have corrected it, you'll see a grade. All right, so sometimes you have to click these little things to find it, but it'll say French week 4, that kind of thing. So you can also find it this way. If you go into the class and you go to classwork, you can also click on the assignment. Now, if it's green, that means you still need to turn it in. If it's gray, that means you've turned it in already. And if you double click on an assignment and see where it says view assignment, you should be able to see the little comments that I give you and your grade there. Okay, so I hope that helps you to see what grades you get. And then I will be putting them on School Tool, but it takes a little time for them to get to School Tool because I want to correct everyone's assignment first. Okay, all right. So here is this week's assignment. I'm trying to have a new clip art every week, right? So I'm giving this out on Monday morning. You're seeing this starting on Monday, and it's due on Sunday. And I really try to make it simple for you. You need to go in order. And whenever there's green, that means you need to do something for sure and put an X after you've finished it. Right now, you're watching the week 4 check-in video. So this will be blue when I finish this video and put it there. Okay. I attached the week 2 vocab sheet in case you don't have your binder or you didn't pick up the papers or something. So it's here as a reference. And if you don't have your yellow vocab 2, I would print this one out so you could have it in front of you. All right. So we're going to watch a video on numbers 1 through 100. They're very tricky in French. I said they are complicated, so pay attention. The guy seems a little weird at first, but if you keep watching how he does it, you're going to be kind of mesmerized by how he moves the numbers and that. So you need to watch the whole video. And then it's going to tell you a little bit of something they do in Belgium and Switzerland, which is special for these numbers. So you're going to have to type the answers in there. So those will be worth a point each. There's a fun song video that shows how to count to 100, and it's kind of those worms. So if you want to kind of skip ahead to 20 to 50, you could go to 157. 50 to 70 starts at 343, and 70 to 100 starts at 508. Okay, so please watch that and sing along. You'll get better with your pronunciation. Here's another video about how to count to 100. Again, the numbers are very tricky in French when you get to the higher numbers. So click there, watch it, sing along, whatever. When you're done, put an X. Here's a cute song video that shows how to count, and there is a big number they show somewhere in the song, and I need you just to put that as digits, right? You don't have to write it out as words, but put it like as a digit number type thing. Here's one more here about the multiples of 10. And the question is, what is this song/video set to the tune of? And once you watch that, you'll be able to see it. It says what that's set to the tune of too. So that's a point. This is a point. Then I have an ed puzzle in here where it's going to stop and ask you a question or give you a note when there's something that you need to pay attention to. So make sure you watch that and then press done. Remember, we need to provide you with some really good stuff to do while you're home, and you really need to make sure you go in order. Quizlet, do these in order. Make sure you always have the audio on, and when you do flashcards at first, answer with English. All right, there's not 100 of flashcards in sets 1 through 100. There's only 50. And then you should shuffle it up and check to see how you're doing. All right, so you can kind of quiz yourself on this. Learn, I like the multiple choice again. If you're struggling with, if they're trying to get you to sign up for an account or something, you don't have to. just keep clicking and you'll be able to get to learn. Or if you are signed in, like, and you have a username, try signing out because you should be able to get to my Learn through my Quizlet. Okay. Match, I want to know your best time. Gravity, what level did you get to? And which favorite activity did you have this time? You could also do the write or spell if you'd like to, or test. That's always a good one to try to do. All right. This is the big part of the assignment. It's worth 40 points. And it's a Google form that's going to review what we've been learning the last few weeks. So when you click Get Open, it's going to ask you for your email address so I can keep track and your French name and last name. And then each section has a little video here that you're going to listen to, and you're going to click the different bubbles. And remember, they go across here. So number one, your choices are A, E, I, O, or U, and you're going to click it. But you have to listen to know which one I'm saying. This is a listening activity. Same thing, another listening activity. And there's some of the consonants. Another listening activity. So this is like a review, and we're going to kind of see if you really know your letters. We're also going to see if you know your numbers. So Miss Ross and I made these videos, and you need to click the one you hear. So 1 through 10, and then 11 through 20. So each of these little clips is different. And then there's just 5 questions at the bottom with some of the bigger numbers. Okay. All right, back to the assignment. You're going to be doing pages 7 through 9, and I actually put the instructional video right here so you can watch that. And I give a little review at the beginning, and then towards the end, I show you the assignments and how to do them. Okay, so make sure that you watch that, and then you can make a Flipgrid to show me your 3 sheets so that we don't have to waste class time going through them. So look at it, I made this cute little thing. You guys are so creative with showing it. So you could take pictures of your sheets and put them there, or you could just flip them to show me. So this is worksheet 7 through 9, okay? And then you could also show me in class if you didn't get a chance to make the Flipgrid. They're due that first class of your cohort. So the blue cohort, I'm going to be looking at to make sure you have them done by Monday the 5th. And then the Thursday, the 8th, is going to be when I'm going to look at the gold. But if you get it done early, make me a Flipgrid, and then it's all set. All right, this is an FYI. So it's not mandatory, but I want to see if anyone can challenge themselves. We're going to talk about phone numbers and how to say that in French. So to be able to do this part here, you'd have to watch this little video. So it's just kind of it's not really for points or anything, but I just want to see if you want to challenge yourself. Okay, so that is the assignment for the week. And as always, if you have any questions, please email me or come to my office hours on Wednesday from 12 until 2. The link for my Zoom is on the Google Classroom. All right, have a great week. Thank you. Merci. Au revoir.